Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Today we are doing some word search again. So let's get to it. I think I'm gonna...
What's the first word you want to look for?
What makes this sound? Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet.
I don't know. A cat?
Tweet, tweet. No.
A turkey?
No.
A leopard?
No.
Birdie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, can you give me a hint with hot or cold? Hot or cold?
Let me see. You are warm.
Wait a sec.
Hot. Right where the tip of your pencil was. Bing, 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 down. Yep. And cross off birds.
Is there an O up here somewhere?
Is there an R? What are you talking about?
Yeah. Oh.
B-I-R-D-S. You got it. And you crossed it off.
Is there like one right here?
It doesn't go that way. No cheating. What word are we looking for now?
What
Okay,
makes that noise?
Look for turkey.
Gong gong. Gong gong. Gong gong. It hurts me to gong gong. And while I'm doing this, I am eating my teeth, which is a baby bird. A baby bird.
Okay, let's look
Okay,
for
when
turkey.
I say goggle, I'm pretending like I'm saying hot or cold in turkey voice. Goggle.
Hot.
Gobble, gobble.
Right on the nose.
I'm smelling where it is.
Your finger was on it when I said hot. Okay,
Is next.
cross off turkey.
Is next. Let's see, okay?
All
What
right.
makes that sound?
A chicken?
No.
A spider?
No.
I don't know. What makes that noise?
Okay, it's in this row.
A cow.
No.
Give me a hint.
Starts with L.
Lollipop.
There's only leopard or lion.
Leopard?
No.
I guess it's lion.
Okay. Okay, when I say wow, that's
Okay,
gonna
let
be
me-
hot and cold. Wow.
Cold. Raisin. Raisin. Come on, you try to look for it without my help. You're hot, right where the pencil was. Now try to look for the words. Go over to your left.
I don't know my left and right.
You know your left. What hand do you write with?
This one.
And what hand is that?
Left.
Right.
Okay. Everybody, can you help me look for lion?
Oh, come on, that's easy. What did I say? I
Hey.
said to your left.
Left.
That's right, you're on your left. Now look for the word L-I-O-N.
L. I'm looking for a line.
Okay.
Is it diagonal?
No, it's straight up and down.
Up or down? Okay, within a line.
Well, it starts with the letter L. So what's around L if it goes up and down?
O.
There you go, see? Now cross off lion. Whoop. Cross off lion. Now, what's the next word you want to
I'm
find?
gonna put my thing like my
Right here.
elbow like here.
Oh, you gotta be very careful, honey.
Alright. What goes this? Woof, woof, woof.
An elephant.
No,
A tiger.
no.
I don't know. What does that?
Alright, it's on this line right here. I'll just hold it for you.
A chicken. I should have known that.
No, it's not.
The spider?
No,
What's left?
dog.
Okay, a dog does that.
And I say, woof, woof, woof.
Okay, it's on
That's
your
hot,
left.
cold.
It's on your left.
Woof, woof, woof.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, woof, 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 woof. Woof.
There you go, see?
Alright, now I'm gonna do.
What word?
I'm gonna do.
Do that again? Oh, so we're looking for spiders.
No,
What are we looking for?
elephant.
Oh, that's an elephant. I didn't know. Let's
It's kind of
see.
hard to tell if I'm an elephant or not.
Okay, that goes diagonal. Okay, now look for the E. Look at that. You found that right away.
I saw it.
You cheated. You little weasel. All right, come
And
on.
then I'm seeing. There we go. Now we're gonna look for meow, meow, meow.
A chicken.
No, you're not gonna look for chicken. You're not gonna look for chicken.
Okay.
We're looking for meow, meow.
Okay. It's
meow.
diagonal.
Meow is diagonal.
Yep. So look for those. Here, let's put your cheese right here.
Toggle. Meow.
Come on.
I'm asking for toggle.
Try to find that one on your own, honey.
Try.
Come on, you can do it. You're smart.
I know I'm small, but that doesn't mean I can do it.
Rag? Where are you? Oh,
I found it.
rooster.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna do one. Ready? I'm gonna do a different one.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna do a full action. And I almost fell doing that, but take my shoes off.
Don't slip with your socks on.
And my socks say magic right now. Okay. Magic!
Alrighty.
It's gonna be, what is it gonna be?
Magic.
What's the word that we gonna do?
Rooster.
No.
No? Did you circle rooster?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Did you cross it off? There you go.
Okay.
Me a monkey.
Bill.
No? Because I see it right here. It's in the 5th row.
I don't want to do monkey.
Okay.
I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a snake.
Okay, let's do snake.
What row is it in?
It's to the right.
Right.
Now
I meant
look
like
for it.
well, like up, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. Like I mean there.
Look in the last row to the right.
All right. Where's the? I cannot find it. I can't find it.
Oh, come on. The first row to the right. Which way is your right? Right. Now what's the first row? And look for S-N-A-K-E. That's your left. This is your right.
This one?
Yeah. Now look for the word snake.
I cannot find.
It's there.
Snake.
How is
It ends
snake?
in E.
Right. How is snake spelt? See? Now cross off snake.
I want to eat you, Marty.
Okay, come on, my puppy. My little kumquat, come on.
Okay. Now we're gonna do what Anna makes this sign. Meow, meow, meow.
A cat.
No, meow.
We already did cat, it's not crossed off.
Yes. We didn't do cat.
Cross off snake, we just did snake.
I did.
Okay, let's see, tiger.
No.
A cow.
No.
I don't.
Yes, actually. a cat.
Okay, let's look for cow.
I just did my baby cow voice.
Okay, it's diagonal.
This is
It's
my
in the middle.
Cow voice. Moo!
Oh my goodness.
Yes, I am crazy.
Okay, it's in the middle and it's diagonal, so look for the letters C-O-W.
Alright, let's see. Let's find a C.
She will be treated with the same respect you give me.
I did do it, see?
Okay, cross off cow then.
I did.
Okay,
See?
now tiger. Let's look for tiger. It's right at the bottom. Okay,
Okay.
see how it's spelt and then cross it off.
Yeah. Okay,
Hey,
when
look
I'm
at
done.
that.
I'll tell you when I'm done.
Okay.
Look, okay. So I say so.
Now-
Hey, don't look yet.
Okay, cross off tiger. My little boop boop. Okay.
It did. I was kind of scared you, but.
How about the word monkey? I see monkey right away. It goes straight across.
What side?
Is it the fifth row up? Right in the middle. Look for it.
Okay, let's. I looked. Let's see.
Let's see if you can find monkey.
That is a bad line.
Go straight across. It does. I said from the bottom. Fifth row. Count the bottom. There, see?
Don't.
Okay.
Okay, don't look until I. Still don't look. Okay.
Okay, now find the word chicken. It's right there under the last word you just
I'm
did.
crossing it off.
Okay, cross it off.
There we go. There we go. So, makes this sound. Meow, 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 meow,
A
meow,
cat.
meow, meow. Yes.
Okay, did you cross off monkey? How about chicken? Did you cross off chicken?
Happy, happy, happy.
Okay,
I did not do chicken.
okay. And I said chicken is right next to the last word you just circled.
Why is it funny? Why
You
is
just
monkey?
did monkey. So try to find.
Why is monkey even on top?
I don't know. Try to find chicken. You're hot. You're hot. You're right there. Your pencil tip is almost on it.
I have never loved sucking this much. I have never loved you this much, sucking.
Chicken. Not chunkin', chicken.
I like calling him sucking though.
Okay, let's find the, what do we got left? Cat and bull?
Yeah, I want to do meow, 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 meow.
Okay, cat is in the middle and it's diagonal. It's close to the moo cow.
Pause it. Now we're gonna call meow. You just did. But we had to quickly do something, so we just had to pause.
I said cat was right next to cow. And it's diagonal.
Catty. What the heck did you just do to my life? Auntie?
Cross off cat. And now we gotta look for bull.
What sounds do bulls make?
I guess, I don't know.
Like a pig?
Kinda. Alright, it's to the right and it goes up and down.
Boom, boom, boom. What row is it in? Is it in the fourth row?
Yep, fourth row.
That was the luckiest go I ever had.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
my.
cross. Find
Fourth
it.
row what? Like 1, 2, 5.
I said from the right, not from the left. This is the right.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, so from this one. Bee 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 bee.
You're hot. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
So ball.
No, bull. How is bull spelt?
B-U-L-L.
B-U-L-L. There you go. Okay, let's end the video. What do you say?
Thanks for watching.